So right now, over 350,000 temporary protected status beneficiaries across the United States are facing a critical deadline that could drastically change their lives forever. If you or a loved one are a national of Haiti, Cameroon, Somalia, or Ethiopia, the expiry date for your protected status is here. This video breaks down the latest official dates and the most critical legal steps that you must take to protect your family and the future. That's if you act now. So what's actually happening? In the United States government under the current administration has either terminated or allowed the expiration of the TPS for several countries. TPS, those who don't know, stands for Temporary Protected Status. It's a program granting work authorization and protection from deportation to eligible nationals of designated countries facing extreme circumstances like armed conflict and natural disaster. It's typically renewed every 18 months, that's 1.5 years for many countries. The new option is now being replaced with a final hard deadline. Yes, it's being replaced with a final hard deadline. That means it's final, it's done. And losing this status means what? It means you're losing your legal permission to live in the United States of America. You're losing legal permission to work in the States. And it makes you vulnerable to the ICE actions. ICE, I mean the Immigration and Customs Enforcement actions. So, what are the exact dates and what are the deadlines? As of the USCIS information on the Department of Homeland Security, that's the DHS, the Haiti nationals, the termination of the TPS has been announced, with a final effective date currently set for February 3rd, 2026. And this date is subject to ongoing litigation, of course. Cameroon, the TPS designation was terminated effective August 4th, 2025. And this is a particularly urgent deadline right now, guys. If you're there and you're Cameroonian, please get this information and take it seriously. For Somalia, the TPS has been extended and redesignated through March 17th, 2026, and current holders must have completed re-registration and new applicants may be eligible because there is still some time till that date. And for Ethiopia, TPS has been extended and redesignated to December 12th, 2025, which is today. And for over 200,000 Haitians and thousands of others who might have built lives in the United States, paid taxes, established families, these dates represent a fundamental shift in legal status. This is not a political debate, this is a reality of the policy, guys. This is now what you must do now. This is the most important part of the video. And do not skip this part, do not jump, do not fall off, and do not delay. Number one, consult an attorney immediately. If your TPS is expiring or has been terminated, your first step is to consult an accredited immigration lawyer. My Ethiopian brothers and sisters, I hope you are listening. Consult an immigration lawyer right away. You need to explore your legal alternatives. You understand, what do I have to, like filing for asylum, special immigration, juvenile status, or potential U visas, or other avenues which may still be open to you right now if you act fast. There's the asylum clock. It's a key point for the TPS holders as well. Having TPS may toll or stop the 1 year clock for filing asylum. If you have been here for over a year, this is a critical conversation to have with your attorney. An asylum may be an option for you. You never know. And also, you have to know your rights during the ICE encounter, because very many have come up with different speeches online and showing clips and maybe generating AI-generated videos to depict something that's not right. However, you must know your rights every time you encounter the ICE enforcement, because their actions occur in communities nationwide, from Atlanta, Houston, Northern Virginia, Brooklyn, everywhere, Minneapolis. But every individual must know their rights. You have the right to remain silent and the right to an attorney. Do not open your door to agents until they show you a warrant, a judicial warrant signed by a judge. And of course, always have legal preparedness plan in place. Like maybe have someone you have on standby in case things happen or go wrong. And the fourth thing is the family separation, of course. For those with US citizen children, legal advice is very essential because the potential for family separation is real. It's very real. And proactive planning is the only way to safeguard your children's future. Because what would it benefit you if you are being deported to Africa or Haiti or wherever you are from, and then your kids are taken to an orphanage or a foster family, or they are being given up for adoption? That would really be terrible. So, as we know this information, guys, it's difficult to hear. We know this information is very difficult to hear, but being informed is your only defense. So please share this video to ensure every person affected by these policy changes knows their critical dates and legal options. Please do it for another. Help that person who is there and needs this kind of information.